Hello everyone, my name is AADYA'S. So today I have come up here with a new topic, and that is how to make friendships. Now you all have your friends and you also need some new friends. So to make new friends you need to make friendship. And to make friendship you need to learn how to make friendship. So today we will learn how to make friendship with everybody and make new friends all around you. So to make new friends, let us imagine a beautiful situation. So imagine that you are sitting alone in a train compartment, and when you search for a friend, you see that each passenger have his or her phone in his hands. But there is one person who is sitting in a corner, sitting silently and thinking of something. It seems like there is no friend of his or her. Now, this is a great chance of making your own friend. You can make friendship with him or her. But the question arises, how to make friendship? We don't know. By friendship, we can create a network among our friends. Now, to make the friendship, we should learn small talks. To make small talks with people, and then we can create a beautiful friendship. Now, to handle this situation, first we have to learn small talks. To learn small talks, we need practice. Now, why do we need practice? To make new friends and to look ourselves more confident. There are some key principles of small talks. They are to be more approachable, to be confident, to look smart in front of others. That's why people will come to you and make friendship with you. But you have to be the one to start the small talk with them. First, you can say hello and hi. Or you can start like it's a sunny day and you will start, oh, it's too hot, but it's fine. I'm feeling good than yesterday. So that he or she, the other person, would also reply to you, and maybe you talk for a long time and make a friendship. Now, this is what it starts on and goes on. Now the thing is that if you go further and further, the talk will never end. Like we all friends gossip and the gossips never end. So like that, small talks will make long talks and will never end. To end that talk, we have to learn how to end. End positively. How to positively? Like you can say, oh, I have a class, so I need to go. I would like to talk to you later. Bye-bye. So like that, you can also end the talk. Or you can say that, I have some work. I have to go to catch a bus, so I would love to talk with you later. Or you can ask for his or her phone number to talk later. Now, this friendship goes on. To the friend you have talked, he or she would make another friend, and he or she once will talk to you also. So this is the network created by a friend. You don't know to whom you are talking. So first make a friendship, and then you would surely know about this. You may not know that maybe he or she is your best friend, or he or she is your future teacher. So, make friendships and create a bond, great relation with everybody around you. So, thank you everybody, and just learn this and make a friendship with every neighbor and every person which you can find and is able to become your friend. So, thank you everybody. Have a nice day ahead.